Hi children, if you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. So burn like a sun to shine like a sun. How are you all? I hope all are fine. So today we are going to discuss the exercise part of lesson 3, negative sentences. Yesterday we learned how to make negative sentence. So exercise A was over yesterday. Now from B onwards we are going to start. Change the following into negative sentences. She is a nurse. She is not a nurse. Answer is she is not a nurse because here helping verb is given is. Helping verb is. So after is we have to write the negative word not. She is not a nurse. Second question, they are friends. Here what is the helping verb? Are is the helping verb. So after are we have to write the negative word not. Are not. They are not friends. Third question, he was in the office. Here what is the helping verb? Was is the helping verb. So after was we have to write the negative word not. He was not in the office. Now we were neighbors. Here what is the helping verb? Where is the helping verb? So after were we have to write the negative word not. We were not neighbors. Fifth question, you can go now. What is the helping verb? Can. So after can we have to write not. You cannot go now. Now next one, it may rain today. May is the helping verb. So after may we have to write the negative word not. It may not rain today. He tells a lie. Here tells. So here there is no helping verb given. That's why we have to check the main verb. Main verb it is tells. So first we have to check is it present tense or past tense. Here it is present tense. So what we have to check? That's why we have to check the subject. What is the subject? Subject here it is given he. Is it singular or plural? If it is singular we can select does. If it is plural we can select do. Now here it is singular, that is why we can select does. So we can write the answer. He does not tell a lie. He does not tell a lie. Now, eighth question, they speak Russian fluently. They speak Russian fluently. Here, what is the helping verb? Is there helping verb? So, there is no helping verb. So, we have to check the main verb. What is the main verb? Speak is the main verb. Speak is the main verb. So, is it singular? Sorry, is it present tense or past tense? It is present tense. So, what we have to check? We have to check the subject. What is the subject? They. Is it singular or plural? It is plural. So, what we can write? Do. They do not speak Russian fluently. They do not speak Russian fluently. Now the next question, ninth one, they talk to one another. Here is also there is no helping verb given. So what we have to check? We have to check the main verb. What is the main verb? Talk. Is it present tense or past tense? Talk is present tense. So we have to check the subject. If the subject singular or plural. If it is singular we can write it as. If it is plural we can write do. Here it is plural, they plural. So we can write do. They do not talk to one another. Now 10th question, the bus arrived very late. Here what is the main verb? Helping verb is not given. So what is the main verb? Main verb is arrived. Arrived is present tense or past tense? It is past tense. So we can directly write did. No need to check the subject, because from the verb itself we can select the helping verb did. So how can we write the answer? The bus did not arrive. Did not arrive. We have to write the present form of arrived, because in the question there is given arrived here, but we already write the past tense first, already take it out past tense from this particular word, so we have to write only arrive. They waited for us. Here there is no helping verb given, only the main verb given. Main verb is given in past tense, so we can write directly did. They did not wait for us, not waited, wait for us. He is driving a car. He is driving a car. He is not driving a car. He is not driving a car. So after the helping verb we have to write the negative word not. Again, continuous tense. The carpenter was making a furniture. So helping verb is was, making is the main verb. In between these two verbs we have to write the negative word not. The carpenter was not making furniture. She is knitting a sweater. Here is the helping verb, knitting is the main verb. So between these two verbs we have to write a not. She is not knitting a sweater. Farmers are ploughing the fields. Here is also are is the helping verb, ploughing is the main verb. So in between these two we have to write the negative word not. That means farmers are not ploughing in the fields. Now we are going to check the next exercise. Read the following sentences and write whether they are affirmative or negative. Affirmative means, I already told you yesterday, affirmative means positive sentence and negative means negative. First sentence, he is not doing his work. In this sentence the negative word not come. That's why it is negative sentence, negative. We had old furniture. Here is no negative word. That's why it is positive word or positive sentence. We can say positive sentence, affirmative sentence. I have no mobile phone. Here the word no. That's why it is negative. Now question number 4. They are my friends. Here is no negative word. That's why it is positive. That means affirmative. She has 2 brothers. Again affirmative. Dinner is ready. Affirmative. She will not. There is the word not come. That's why it is negative. Now 8th question is, Neha is a pretty girl. Here is also there is no negative word. That's why affirmative. He did not do. Did not. Here not come. That's why it is negative sentence. Children are making a noise. There is no negative word. That's why it is affirmative sentence. Now joy drill. Trick the correct answer. Dash Ankita watching a film at the cinema. Answer is is. Answer is. Meenu is good at Ludo, but Helen is not play well. So here you can write you write there is not, isn't. 3rd question, Mr. Dubey dash driving a school bus. Here in the picture, okay, is not, because in the picture students are getting inside the bus. That means the bus is now it is stopped. So isn't. 4th one, dash Mr. Shukla work at a restaurant. That is does. Mr. and Mrs. Gupta don't go to a language class. Sixth one, I am not resting tonight. I have got a lot of work to do. So answer is am not. Last one, question number 7. I am afraid I am not doing well in this exam. So am not. So this is the today's lesson. Take care. Bye. See you tomorrow.